A natural tan is one of the easiest and most effective looks maxes you can do, and it's free. It improves your appearance instantly. It gives your skin a healthier tone, makes your features stand out more, and makes you look a lot more vibrant. But it's not something you want to rush or overdo. In this video, I'm going to guide you step by step on how to develop a natural tan safely and effectively. Let's get into it. There's a reason why tan skin is universally perceived as attractive. It suggests health, vitality, and time spent outdoors, all traits that are subconsciously associated with strong genetics. A natural tan enhances overall contrast in your face. It can bring out the definition in your physique, and it can even out your skin tone. The goal isn't to sunbathe for hours each day. It's about consistency, around 10 to 30 minutes each day, depending on your skin tone. People with a lighter skin tone should aim for around 10 to 15 minutes to start, and people with a darker complexion can get away with 20 to 30 minutes, and it's best to alternate sides to avoid uneven results. You should do this daily, preferably around midday when the UV rays are the strongest, which is going to help your body produce melanin gradually, which is going to give you that nice looking tan while also strengthening your skin's natural defenses. It's important you don't stay out long enough to where you get sunburnt or sun damage. It's about gradually building up to it. In addition to looking better, getting sunlight on your skin is going to stimulate vitamin D production, which is essential for having high testosterone levels. Vitamin D is also known to support your immune system, your cognitive function, and your overall energy levels. And the best part is, you're getting it for free by being outdoors. A lot of people try to cheat the process by using fake tan, which they see as a quick solution, but there's a lot of downsides to this. The issue with fake tan is that it rarely looks natural. It leaves streaks, it can wear off unevenly, and it can even start to peel, which defeats the whole purpose of trying to look healthy. Some people turn to using compounds such as melanotan 2, which is a peptide, which stimulates melanin production in the skin, but there's serious risks with this. The issue is there are no long-term scientific studies on the use of melanotan 2 in humans. Some people report darkening of moles, nausea, and even cancerous skin lesions developing, so it's just not worth the risks. When it comes to your health and appearance, shortcuts can cost you more than they save. Your diet also plays a huge role in how your skin reacts to the sun. A diet rich in antioxidants, so eating foods such as berries, tomatoes, carrots, and leafy greens is going to prevent overall oxidative damage from the UV rays. The omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish, such as DHA and EPA, also improve your skin's resilience to the sun. If you're eating whole, nutrient-dense foods and staying hydrated, you're not only going to tan better, but your skin is going to recover faster and be more resistant to sun damage. Getting a natural tan isn't complicated, but it does require some form of discipline. Make sure to keep your exposure short, stay consistent, and support your skin from the inside, and avoid short-term fixes that compromise your long-term health. A natural tan is one of the most visible signs of vitality. If you do it right, you can instantly increase your attractiveness. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and comment down below for the algorithm. Until next time.